I have here a telescope. I'm going to go ahead and open this box up, take everything out, set it up, and then I'm going to try this out with my kids so we can see how well it works. So the installation is super easy. You just unfold the tripod, then you attach the telescope to the tripod right here, and then you put on the viewfinder. It just slips into place here, and then it's just a matter of attaching the lens here and then an eyepiece in right here. There's also another lens you can put on if you want to, and I'll show you how the phone attachment works as well. So there are 3 different eyepieces. You can see they're different lengths and they're different diameter on the size of the opening. And there is also a little moon filter that you can screw into the bottom if you want to look at the moon. So you can see I've got it in right here, and we're going to test it out to see how well it works. So this telescope is going to be great for beginners. It's easy to adjust, so you've got adjustment knobs here. It's got a really nice viewfinder right here so you can easily find what you're looking for. And it's also going to be great for both children and adults. If you needed to, you can collapse the legs down on the tripod to shorten it down, or if you're an adult, you can unscrew this and you can raise it up to be higher. So it's nice and adjustable height-wise, so you can make it comfortable for you as you're using it. Typically, you're going to have the telescope angled like this, which is going to put the eyepiece kind of straight in line with your head. So you're going to want to keep that in mind as you're setting the height. So in addition to having that moon filter that you can attach to the eyepiece, it also has an astronomical filter that you can attach into the dust cap that actually puts on the front, which will allow you to view the sun if you wanted to do that. And then it has a phone holder here that you can slip on to help have it see, so you can see through your phone's camera and take pictures and video. And then it also has a really nice Barlow 5x magnification lens that you can put on right here to magnify it by an additional 5 times. So it's dark outside, the moon is up, we've got the phone attachment on here. You can see we've got the moon right here in the center of the phone, so we can take some pictures. We're going to mess with this for a little bit, and then we're going to do just looking through without the phone, so we can have some fun looking at the moon. So here you can see we've got a really nice shot of the moon through the telescope with my phone on the attachment. So now my daughter wants to take a look, so we're going to have to lower things down so that she can see, and once we move it, we'll have to re-find the moon, which is really easy using the finder right here to the side. So this telescope is really nice. It's really easy to adjust, raise the height, lower it, so you can use it with kids or adults. It's easy to use as well. It's got lots of accessories. It makes looking at the moon or the sun or even the stars really fun and easy.